As mathematicians, that's sometimes what we do. We build up a sort of paradigm or hypothesis or a model that we can then extend and extrapolate to build up to a more complex situation. And I'm interested in any kind of approximations or estimations you might like to use to get yourself quite neatly and nicely to the answer to the question of 2 to the power of what to give you 1,000,000. So we know 2 to the power of 3 is 8. We know 2 to the power of 4 is 16. That's much too big. So let's say 2 to the power of 3.5 is probably a bit big, so let's round it 3 and a little bit. 2 to the power of 3 and a little bit would give us 10. If we want to get to 1,000, we know that 1,000 is 10 cubed. So if we take 2 to the power of 3 and a little bit to the 3, because that bit was the 10, what's the law for how we do a power to a power? We times them. So what's 3 and a little bit times 3 if we want a nice round number? 3 times 3 is 9. 3 and a little bit times 3 is 10. Do you see how we've now approximated something really nice and simple to give us 2 to the power of 10 is about 1,000. 2 to the power of 10 is actually, do you know what it actually is? 1,024. 1,000 times 1,000, in other words, we square it. 1,000 squared is 1,000,000.